All right, what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Josiah here, and I'm doing a quick light review. All right, I got sent these GVMs. These are GVM 800Ds, full RGB. I got one of them, obviously one of them right here. I have another one right up here. You can see if I bring this guy in, hello, he is set to be purple. You can see it on my face, and that's what's giving this light on the background here, which is pretty cool. I'm just gonna give a quick breakdown, a quick review here of these lights. First thing first, I want to say that these lights are about $240. There is a set where you can get a third light. I don't know how much that is. I think it's over 300. But for 240 bucks, these lights are pretty solid as far as money goes. I still, they're not going to be great for, lighting the face like this to get like really soft natural light. This is, the light that's hitting me right here is my, it's aperture light dome and all that stuff. So the more expensive lights with big soft boxes, that's going to be better for the face. These are not going to be powerful enough to shoot through the diffusion and really give you that soft light you're looking for here. So really where I would use these is lighten up backgrounds like this, or for some hair lights, or maybe some product shots if you're looking for some cool RGB stuff. The RGB mode is where it shines, okay? This is why you'd want these lights, is for the RGB. Okay, and you can see right here on the back is it's got all of these, it's got two knobs, it's got some settings here. Honestly, you can ignore most of this stuff here because I'm going to be honest, I'm not even sure what these do. It sets its channels so that you can control them from different, devices, I guess. There is an app. This stuff here, this is I don't use this at all. It's the knobs that you want to use, and this is where it's cool because I can change the color of this light completely, right? I'll just scroll through and boom, it's pinkish purple, all the same color background. Now I'm going in some red and orange, and you can get a lot of different looks, which is really, really awesome. I don't remember where I was on a bluish color, right? Yeah, so here we go. We're back to the blue. And over here, you control brightness. Easy as that. Easy as that. Cool. The other great thing about this light is that it's not just RGB, but it also is, color temperature, all that stuff. So you just click that in, and it changes to, what did it just change to? Oh, it changed to saturation. So I can desaturate the blue if I wanted to desaturate the blue, which is pretty sweet. All right. The other thing, I normally have that all the way up to 100 though, because I want that saturated look. And then the other button here changes it to Kelvin. You can see 5600 all the way down to 3200. So you can change the color temperature, which is really, really sweet. And then there are some other settings in here. I don't remember how to get to. Maybe it's in the app. Maybe it's in the app. Let me go get the app real quick, and I'll show you the other settings because that's pretty sweet. All right, so here's my phone. It's the app. It's GVM LED. I don't know if you could see it on the phone here. You can see all my apps here. GVM LED, and you're gonna click on that, and we're gonna connect it here, and we'll be. Ooh, let's see. Let's find it. Let's find it. Now connecting is never fun because I'm really bad at figuring out how to do this. You got to find the right switch here. We'll click mode on here, and that takes you over to app, and then BT LED is going to show up on the phone, and you click on that, and that's it, and you're connected. That's it. And the dope thing is that you can switch over to scenes, and you can see now we're at lightning. Look at all these different scenes it's got. It's got all of these scenes. We can focus. So you got lightning, you got candle, bad bulb, disco, paparazzi, TV, cop car, party, paparazzi. Okay, so like let's click the cop car, and boom, it's like you wanted to light a cop car scene, you could do that. Party scene with a little rave action, yeah, cool. Paparazzi, maybe some flashes are going off, right? Maybe you're shooting a movie and you need some camera flashes going off. The stupid thing is though is that it's very, very rhythmic. If that might be the word. There's disco, faulty bulbs. So like you could hang this light in a dimly lit hallway and have the faulty bulb mode go. And there's some lightning, maybe candle. Like maybe you're shooting like a bathtub scene or something, or a campfire scene. That's probably better, campfire scene. And you want to have a little bit of flicker or something on the people. So that's the cool thing. You can also change the color from here as well. You can see the color wheel. And, you can just kind of select whatever color you want by just dragging this around. and changing the brightness and the saturation all within here as well. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is that it does run off of 2 Sony NPF batteries, FPN, PFN, 2 big Sony brick batteries, essentially. Runs off that. You do need both of them in here, okay? Both batteries need to be in here for this to work. Otherwise, it does not work. Okay, you can see, though, that there is a DC wall mount. So you can plug this in to the wall. And I'm in a studio, so I don't ever need to use batteries, which is cool. But if you do need to use batteries, you just flip this switch all the way to the battery mode. Or if you're plugging it into the wall, click the wall one. That's it. It's as easy as that, okay? So I would recommend these lights only if you're looking for some RGB stuff. I did do a photography shoot in this studio with these lights, and I was a little bit disappointed in the fact that I couldn't shape the light all that much. You know, I couldn't, I mean, there's these barn doors, but you know, these barn doors, you can see already. Look at the pattern. You know what, let me kill this other one here. There's a pattern that shows up because you see that? You see how there's like a strip here? Like there's like one strip, and then there's, actually in my shadow, you can see the squares. It's blocky, right? It's a little blocky, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I had a really hard time shaping this light. This light does best when it's really just spread out. Otherwise, the LEDs on here are not. Let me switch back to different mode here. Master, boom. The LEDs on here are not close enough together to create a very consistent light source, and I think that's why we're getting that blocky shadow. And so I wish the LEDs were closer together. I wish there was a whole nother strip in between each LED, so I had double the amount of light. The other thing, though, is that this comes with a diffusion panel that can easily slide, maybe not easily, but can slide in and out if you didn't want the diffusion. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why you'd want to take the diffusion out. Just keep the diffusion in there. And otherwise, these lights are a good bang for the buck, guys. $240. You want some RGB, nice hair light, maybe some cool background, change up the look of the studio, and yeah, I would recommend that. That's it. I'm definitely going to be using these some more for photography, and yeah, just trying to get some really cool images, maybe out on location. The cool thing is I could take these on location because it does have those batteries. It does have those battery mounts. So yeah. So that's my quick review of this. It's quick, easy, and you know, very easy to set up. Oh, it also all fits. They came with stands. These lights came with these stands as well, and they all came in this awesome little bag. So everything fits right in here. GVM, great video maker. It all comes in here, all fits in here. Really easy to use. I set all this stuff up within 5 minutes, plugged it in, good to go, and very, very easy. So that's it. There's links in the description if you want to purchase this. Hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think of the lights and how you might use them. Let me point this light back. Let me point this light back at you. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I definitely suggest buying them. They're pretty cool, and they did send these to me, but if I really hated these, I would tell you not to buy them. But these are worth it for $200, $240, and you want some cool RGB mode. Yeah, these are the lights. These are cool. So awesome. Take care. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Peace.